Intermediate Algebra for Statistics, Integer Exponents Part 5, Lesson Objective, Use Scientific Notation. Example 11. Write the numbers and scientific notation. Number 1, 6,257,000. Number 2, 0.00000721. Solution? We want n to be 6.257. This first value can be any number except for 0. The decimal place is here, and we want it to the right of 6. So we need to see how many decimal places do we need to move the decimal point, and that number will be our power of 10. So we must move the decimal place 6 places to the right. So k is 6. So we have 6.257 times 10 to the 6. This expression and this expression are equivalent. This is what we call standard form, and this is scientific notation. For number 2, we want n to be 7.21, so we must move the decimal place 6 places to the left. So that means k is a negative 6. So we have 7.21 times 10 to the 6th power. Summary: to write a number in scientific notation, count the number of places k that the decimal point must be moved so that the new number n meets the condition. N can be a negative number, or n can be a positive number, and it can be any digit except for 0. If the decimal point is moved to the left, then the scientific notation is written as n times 10 to the k. If the decimal point has moved to the right, then the scientific notation is written as n times 10 to the negative k. Example 12. Write the numbers in scientific notation. 92,900,000. That's the average distance in miles between Earth and the Sun. Number 2, 0.0024. The average weight in grams of a grain of sand. Solution? For the first number, move the decimal 7 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our n is going to be 9.29, and our k is a positive 7. So the answer is 9.29 times 10 to the 7th. For number 2, we want to move the decimal place from here to here, so our n is going to be 2.4. So we move it 1, 2, 3. We moved it 3 places to the right, so our answer would be 2.4 times 10 to the negative 3. Using the scientific notation mode on the calculator, if you hit mode, change it from normal to scientific, it will always display all numbers in scientific notation. So for example, if you take 2 times 1005, it will write the answer in scientific notation, 2.01 times 10 to the 3rd power. The next one would be 8.07919 times 10 to the 5th power. And the last one, we have 0.253 times 5, which gives us an output of 1.265 E0, which means 1.265 times 10 to the 0 power. And 10 to the 0 power is 1, so the number is just 1.265. Our last example. Answer the following questions for the given value. A. Is this value positive or negative? B. Is this value a very small number or a very large number? C. What value is this number close to? Well, we have 2.469 e to the negative 11. So this is scientific notation. E negative 11 means times 10 to a exponent of negative 11. So we have to take this decimal and move it 11 places to the left. That gives us this number. A decimal point, 10 zeros, a 2, a 4, and a 9. So A, this value is a positive number. The exponent is negative, but that doesn't mean that the value is negative. B, this is a very small number. C, this number is close to 0. This is a very, very small number, and it's very close to 0. Thanks for watching.